Digital transformation. Everyone is talking about it these days. It has become a buzzword. What we don't understand is that it's the people transformation first before a digital transformation. People have to change first before you expect any miracles from the technology. And when we talk about the people, it starts from inside. I have to transform myself before I expect others to transform. I have to question my status quo first before I expect others to change. So it's all about questioning my status quo, questioning my beliefs, questioning my paradigms, questioning my recipes that made me successful in the past. If I'm willing to adapt those recipes based upon the reality of today or tomorrow. If I'm sticking too much to the past, I'm inhibiting my ability to move forward. So once I have transformed myself, once I've established myself as a role model of change, I can think about transforming others and my team. And when we speak to our team, when we speak to people around us to change, we have two misconceptions, or we do two things very wrong. We believe that people hate change. People do not hate change. People are afraid of the journey. People are afraid of the transition that moves them from one state to another. When you speak to people, you're talking about moving them from the current state to something new. We know that current state is proven, it's structured, it's known, it's certain, it's reassuring. And we're expecting them to go to a state which is unproven, which is unstructured, which is uncertain, which is all but not reassuring. It's likely to create anxiety. It's likely to create fear. And as a leader, it's my job to address that anxiety and address that fear to make that transition comfortable and convenient for my team. I give you my personal example. I love doing skydiving. And before my very first jump, I was nervous. I had a lot of anxiety. I was told that you're going to have a minute of free fall before the parachutes get opened, and that made me a lot of nervous. But then I was told how the journey would look like, how the jump would look like when I will jump off the aircraft, how I'm going to experience a lot of air pressure and inertia during that free fall. On top of that, a tandem was provided who had a lot of experience in managing those jumps. Both these things helped in overcoming my fear and overcoming my anxiety. So once again, people do not hate change. People are afraid of the transition. The next thing that we do always wrong is that we push the change from the top and expect people to own it. We want people to own a change when they have not authored it. It's just like asking my team that this is a new product, this is a new cloud-based solution that you have to sell from tomorrow. This is the new plan, this is the new compensation plan, and this is now executed. People do not own things when they have not authored it. If I want to introduce a new product into the market, I should be telling to my team, these are my plans. What do you think about them? Let us jointly author it, design it, let them author the change, and you get their buy-in. You get their buy-in only when they have authored a change. So once again, people do not hate change. If people would hate change, we would be wearing the same clothes every day. We would be going to the same destination for our vacation every year, and we should be selecting the same government all the time. It's all about handling the anxiety, and it's all about handling the fear. Before you expect others to change, ask these questions. What would you do when you are afraid? And what would you do when you are not afraid? Because when you are not afraid, you feel good. And when you feel good, you are open to change your beliefs. And when you are open to change your beliefs, you change what you do. Thank you very much.